guys, this is Erin from Doug and Erin Go Outside. So what I wanted to talk to you guys about today was the fact that this weekend I'm going to be doing 3 days on the Appalachian Trail. So there's some prep work that I do the week before in order to go ahead and get ready. Now it is Monday before the Friday that I'm leaving. So the one thing that I will do so it has time to dry is to go ahead and spray my my backpack and my shoes with the Sawyer anti-tick spray. Now, normally also I do my tent as well, but I did it last month. So those things are good for 5 to 6 washes. So we should be good to go. They recommend sometimes your sleeping bag, but I sleep on my sleeping bag, especially right now how hot it is. So I don't ever go into my sleeping bag, but it adds an additional comfort for me. So this time we're just doing the sneakers, which I do every time because they get wet, they get damp, sweaty, everything like that. So I go ahead and do it every time. And then the book bag is usually, or the backpack is usually every couple months. Now this actually is the REI Flash 55 that I bought. This is exactly what I needed. So it's not too big and it's a medium size, which is good for how tall I am. Okay, so we just spray away and spray over. Don't forget the gloves. This stuff will mess with you. So make sure to go ahead and spray it around. Now, I'm gonna let all of this dry because you don't want this spray to touch anything that's gonna physically touch you. Don't put it on your pants. Don't put it on your shirt or anything like that. Not even a hat. You know, spray bug spray on your hat. Do not spray this on your hat. So anything that will physically touch you, do not put it on there. Book bag, it doesn't touch me, and the shoes, I put them with socks. So we're gonna spray it. And these are actually gonna sit out. I'm not gonna do any more packing for this trip until Wednesday because I want these to be good and dry before, especially the backpack, before I start putting stuff into it. And we'll go through that in another video on how I pack for the Appalachian Trail. So guys, this is Erin from Doug and Erin Go Outside, and don't forget, go outside.